we'll guide you through how to add Dropbox to Finder on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox app on your Mac. Make sure you're signed in with your Dropbox account. Once the app is running, click on the Dropbox icon in your menu bar at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on the profile picture or initials in the top right of the Dropbox window that appears. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, switch over to the Sync tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Show Dropbox in Finder. Make sure this option is checked. If it isn't, simply click the checkbox to enable it. This will integrate your Dropbox folders directly into the Finder, making it easy to drag and drop files between your Mac and your Dropbox account. If you want to ensure that specific folders are available offline, you can manage this by clicking on the Selective Sync button in the same Sync tab. This allows you to choose which folders are synced to your Mac's local storage, saving space while keeping everything organized. Once you've selected your options, close the Preferences window. Now, when you open Finder, you should see Dropbox listed in the sidebar, and you're all set to manage your files seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.